Safely transfer crypto, your beginner's guide to moving USDT. Welcome to our beginner-friendly guide on safely transferring USDT. If you're just getting started in the crypto world, you might feel a little overwhelmed when it comes to moving your cryptocurrency across wallets or exchanges. Don't worry, it's easier than it seems. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through everything step by step so you can confidently and securely transfer USDT, whether for trading, payments, or investment purposes. By the end of this video, you'll know how to avoid common mistakes, understand key security practices, and ensure smooth transactions every time. Let's get started. Before we dive into the actual transfer process, let's talk a little about what USDT is and why it's so popular. USDT, also known as Tether, is a stablecoin. Stablecoins are cryptocurrencies designed to maintain a stable value by being pegged to a reserve asset, in this case, the US dollar. This makes USDT a preferred choice for many crypto users. Its value remains relatively consistent, unlike other cryptocurrencies that can be highly volatile. Whether you want to trade with crypto, make payments, or store funds securely, USDT is a reliable option. There are many reasons you might need to transfer USDT. You might want to move it from one personal wallet to another, transfer funds to an exchange for trading, or even send it to a friend or vendor for payment. Whatever your reason, understanding how to transfer funds safely and correctly is essential to avoid potential losses. One key concept to grasp is the role of blockchain networks. When transferring USDT, you'll notice that multiple networks support its transactions. For instance, USDT can be sent on Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, BSC, Tron, and other blockchains. Each network operates independently, and the fees, transaction speeds, and compatibility vary between them. Picking the correct network for your transfer is one of the most crucial steps to ensure a successful transaction. So, how do you choose the right network? The easiest way to determine this is by checking the wallets or exchanges involved in your transfer. Both the sender and recipient wallets must support the same blockchain network. For example, if you're using a wallet on the Ethereum blockchain, but the recipient uses the Tron network, the transaction won't work, and your funds may be lost. Always double-check that both parties agree on the same network before initiating a transfer. Let's talk about wallets. A crypto wallet is a digital tool that allows you to store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies like USDT. There are two main types of wallets: hot wallets and cold wallets. Hot wallets are connected to the internet and are more convenient for frequent transactions. These include mobile wallets, web wallets, and exchange wallets. Cold wallets, on the other hand, are offline and offer higher security, making them suitable for long-term storage. If you're just starting out, a hot wallet is a good choice for learning about crypto before moving on to advanced options like cold wallets. To begin transferring USDT, you'll need access to a wallet. If you don't already have one, creating a wallet is easy. Download a reputable wallet application like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or Exodus, and follow the steps to create an account. During wallet creation, you'll be given a private key or a recovery phrase. This information is extremely important. Write it down and store it in a secure location. Never share your private key with anyone. Doing so can lead to the loss of your crypto. If you already have a wallet, simply log in using your credentials. A wallet address is like your bank account number in the world of cryptocurrency. It's a unique string of characters that other users need to send you crypto. Your wallet will automatically generate an address for you. To find your wallet address for USDT, open your wallet, select the USDT token, and you'll see an option to view or copy your address. Always ensure you're using the correct wallet address for the right network. For example, Ethereum versus Tron. Now let's go step by step through the process of sending USDT. Log into your wallet and select USDT from your list of tokens. Choose the Send option. Enter the recipient's wallet address. Select the blockchain network for your transfer, for example, Ethereum Tron. Double-check all the information you've entered. Confirm the transaction and complete any additional security checks, like a password or two-factor authentication, 2FA. Once you confirm, your USDT will begin transferring. It's as simple as that. If someone is sending you USDT, simply provide them with your wallet address. Be sure to confirm which network you're using to avoid issues. Once they've sent the funds, you should receive them in your wallet after a short confirmation period. An important part of any crypto transfer is gas fees, which are transaction fees paid to the network for processing your transfer. The cost of gas fees depends on the blockchain you're using and the current network activity. For instance, Ethereum often has higher fees compared to faster, less congested networks like Tron. When transferring USDT, always take gas fees into account and ensure your wallet has enough funds to cover them. Using the wrong network is one of the most common mistakes beginners make. For example, if you send USDT on the Ethereum blockchain to a wallet that only supports Binance Smart Chain, your funds could be permanently lost. To avoid this, double-check the recipient's network preferences before completing a transfer. Accuracy is key when transferring crypto. Even a single incorrect character in a wallet address can result in funds being sent to the wrong place. Always copy and paste wallet addresses to avoid errors and double-check them carefully before sending. Unfortunately, cryptocurrency transfers can attract scammers. Be wary of suspicious emails, messages, or websites asking you to send USDT or share your wallet details. Verify the legitimacy of all transfer requests and never share your private key or recovery phrase with anyone. To further protect your funds, enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, for added security. Avoid using public Wi-Fi when transferring funds. Use trusted and up-to-date wallet software. These simple precautions can significantly reduce your risk of being hacked or scammed. Let's say you want to move USDT from one of your wallets to another. Always test the process by sending a small amount first. This ensures that the address, network, and transaction details are all correct before transferring the full amount. If you're moving USDT from an exchange to a wallet or vice versa, follow the same steps. Log into the exchange, select USDT, choose Withdraw or Deposit, and confirm the network settings. As always, take the time to confirm the details before initiating the transfer. Once you've sent USDT, you can track the progress of your transaction using blockchain explorers like Etherscan for Ethereum or Tronscan for Tron. Simply enter your transaction ID or wallet address to see details like confirmations and status updates. If your transaction fails or seems stuck, it could be due to network congestion or insufficient gas fees. Check your transaction details in a blockchain explorer to determine what went wrong. In some cases, restarting the process or increasing fees can help. The time it takes to transfer USDT depends on the network and current activity levels. Some transfers might complete within seconds, while others can take a few minutes or longer. Be patient and allow the network to process your transaction. Certain wallets and exchanges may impose transfer limits based on your account type or verification level. If you encounter these limitations, consider upgrading your account by completing identity verification steps to unlock higher limits. The golden rule of crypto transfers: always double-check everything. Verify recipient addresses, networks, amounts, and fees. Mistakes aren't always reversible, so investing a little extra time up front can save you from costly errors. If you're transferring a large amount of USDT, start with a small test transfer. Once you've confirmed that the funds were received successfully, proceed with the larger transaction. This minimizes risk and boosts your confidence. For personal tracking and audits, it's a good idea to export transaction records from your wallet. Most wallets provide an option to download transaction histories, which can be useful for tax purposes or resolving disputes. To ensure you never lose access to your wallet, back up your recovery phrase securely. Consider storing it in a physical location, like a safe, rather than online. If your wallet is ever lost or compromised, this phrase will allow you to recover your funds. Let's address a couple of common beginner concerns. What happens if I send USDT to the wrong address? Unfortunately, most crypto transactions are irreversible. If this happens, there's usually no way to recover your funds. Can I get a refund for gas fees? Gas fees are non-refundable and paid to the network for processing your transaction. Always prioritize the safety of your crypto assets. Use strong passwords, enable 2FA, and remain cautious of scams. Security is your best defense against potential losses. In this tutorial, we've covered the basics of transferring USDT, from setting up your wallet and choosing the right network, to verifying addresses and tracking transactions. By following these steps, you can confidently and securely move USDT wherever you need. Don't let the fear of making mistakes hold you back. Start with small amounts, learn as you go, and build your confidence over time. Crypto is an exciting space, and mastering simple tasks like transferring USDT is a great first step in your journey. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit. Stay tuned for more beginner-friendly crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy transferring.